So this is my project this week. I just finished this peacock, which I love. It's very, very large. It's 24 inches by 60 inches. So it is going on this door. I've got to take down my family photos and put up a light. So let's take down the photos. Okay guys, here is the finished peacock mounted on my barn door that covers a closet, or if you pull it to the right, it covers the bathroom. I have a battery powered light, artist light over it. I think it looks pretty good. Thanks for being with me. I will put the link to this painting video if you want to watch that. Maybe you want to try that yourself. I have a pattern that goes with it. It's easy to do. See you next time.